In this tutorial guys, I will show you how you can make big money online with YouTube Shorts. But you won't have to film a single video thanks to a tool I'll show you later on in the video that will literally create the video for you automatically. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Anyhow, the very first YouTube channel I want to show you as an example is this one right here called Sebastian K22 Shorts. This dude is doing insanely well by recording basically 30 to 60 second long videos. And they're all done with his phone. The main reason I'd say he's doing very well is that he's recording interesting videos. The vast majority of the videos on his channel are some sort of creepy or scary stories, and those tend to get big views, thus they can make you big amounts of money. In fact, if you go over to socialblade.com, you will see that this person is getting over 20 million views on a monthly basis, which is just mind-boggling. And it goes to show you how popular those videos with scary stories can actually be and why you would want to make videos in the same niche. Now, the amount of money made according to Social Blade could be up to $80,000 and beyond. Even though I'd say the amount of money made is most likely around $40,000 or so, that's still crazy. Because keep in mind he's simply recording videos with his phone. This means that there is no special video editing involved. No hard work is required to actually film the video since it's so short. And since mainly he's just recording his face, you don't need a professional camera, but rather just your smartphone. Meaning that you don't need to invest a dime if you were to start making videos like these. And for those of you who perhaps think that you can't just start making videos like these and get views, I encourage you to take a look at the oldest videos from his channel, which as you can see have been uploaded a year ago. So he started uploading videos a mere year ago, and look at him now, making literally thousands of dollars by merely recording videos with his phone. This demonstrates something quite important. Yes, even as a complete beginner, you can start creating such videos and actually get views, and you won't get ignored by the YouTube community. And with that said, now that you've seen that those videos can make you money and that they are hugely popular, let me show you how you can create them. I have two methods to share with you guys. The first one involves creating the videos like Sebastian is doing. So basically, taking your phone and recording yourself. The second method involves using one particular website to get the short video done for you, so you don't have to show your face on camera. Out of these two options, the one I'd reckon has a bigger chance of you getting higher views is the first one. But if you're really adamant about not showing your face, then be sure to stick around for the tool that I will show you later on. No matter how you will be creating these videos though, the first thing that you will need is a video idea. Here's a website that's likely quite similar to the one where Sebastian gets his ideas. It's called listverse.com. This is a website where you can find articles on just about anything. Most importantly for you though, on this platform you can find articles about creepy and scary and mysterious stories. So you can use this website as a source to find creepy stories, for example, to record a video about. And since there are new articles on here, basically every day, you'll never run out of video ideas, making this the perfect website for you, no matter how you want to go about creating your video. Now, the next step from here would depend on how you want to create your videos. So let me cover what you want to do. If you opted for the first method, recording yourself, what you want to do, guys, is first select a niche you want to focus on for your first video. For the sake of this tutorial, I chose the creepy niche right up here, and I can now see all of these articles. What you want to do now is simply read a bunch of them and try to find the most interesting stories that you will record a video about. And then you will simply take your phone, record yourself talking about one particular story, and then record a few more videos about some other ones that you'll upload later on. And from there, you'll just upload that video directly onto YouTube without any editing or whatever. However, what can you do if you don't want to record yourself? Well, what you want to do now, guys, when you find a good story in an article is actually copy it entirely. For example, this part right here, and you now want to head over to this site called nvideo.io. This website will create a video for you based off of your script. And once you've logged into your account on here, what you have to do is select vertical here first. Then click on text to video. Then simply choose one of these templates that you will use and then paste it in your script. What's worth noting here, guys, is that you'll most likely have to customize the video yourself. So it won't look very good at the start, but thanks to the thousands of photos and videos in this website, you can easily find something that would be suitable for your video and create it really quickly, like 5 to 10 minutes max. If you want more photos and videos to use from another source, then there's no better free option than pexels.com, a website I've mentioned countless times on this channel, and for good reason. On here, you can find photos and videos on just about anything that you can then download and use on nvideo.io for your new video. And just a side note, guys, InVideo is not free, so keep that in mind, but it does offer a free trial and it's an overall fantastic platform. So if you don't want to record yourself, InVideo is the perfect alternative in that case. When you finish creating your video, just go back to YouTube and upload it as a short, and that would basically be it. Depending on how you decide to create your videos, you'll simply repeat this process over and over again to create new videos that you will upload on a daily basis. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.